What are the different types of investment options? We have our investment expert Manish with us. Manish, could you please elaborate more on the types of investment options available in the market?
Now, when we talk about other investing avenues, so this is something for your short-term parking or for your emergency funding. But when we say that if you have a goal of, let's say, 3 years, or let's say you have a goal of 5 years, uh, right? So when you have a slightly longer goals, let's say you want to buy a house, and for buying a house you have 10 years of saving which you can do. In that kind of a case, you should look at for investment avenues or asset or options which can give you a slightly much better healthy return for a long term basis. So what are investment avenues you can have for a long term investment? Let's say like a property or children's marriage. You can invest in fixed deposit, you get it 5 years, 10 years fixed deposit. You can invest directly in bonds, which are for 5 year, 10 years. PPF, there is an option. People invest in real estate also for getting a good return. Let's say you want to do a child's marriage after 10 years. You invest in a property and get some return. Gold, silver is an option. Mutual funds is something, is also an option. And some people can invest in individual stocks.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.